Welcome to JWE Podcast. And how are you doing today? Please recommend this YouTube channel. I dropped down to 66 down back to 65 subscribers. But that's not bad. But please subscribe and recommend this YouTube channel. But there's and turn on the bell so you'll be notified when I do load up a new video. I'll do a video like every week. Now, this video is brought to you by K-Trucks. So, subscribe, comment, turn on the bell, and do the special video. Hi, my name is JWE Podcast. Like I said in the last segment, this is a special video. This video is about the K-Trucks over in Japan. But they're bringing the K-Trucks over here so people like us can drive them. But they're not. They're made for farms, okay? They're made for like low-speed vehicles like a golf cart. We all know that. But no, seriously. This Baltimore port is the hardest port to work for. I don't know why, but I don't know if we have a port in Pennsylvania, but we probably do, but somewhere. But no, I would like to get one because I want to learn how to drive. I still want to learn how to drive, but I don't want like a big vehicle, you know? And yes, having a K-truck is a right-hand drive. You would have to get used to it. Be driving on the right hand side. And yes, they do have automatics and standards, but I might get both. But my buddy Tony asked me a question last night. Well, if you get a broker, okay, that does the heavy lifting for you, okay, and only thing that you need to pay for is not the shipment, but it's $135. You could, that's, and they cost $1 million. But if someone don't have the $1 million, okay. But that's over in Japan. But they take the port takes care of the rest for you. But if you want a cheaper deal with a lower mileage, it's $4,500. Yeah, like I said, it's 135. That's not bad. But you can buy one off the Ford too. You can buy a brand new one off the Ford. Okay? And yes, most of the guys go after the older ones, like the 94, the 95, the 98, the 97. And I never thought about that because I didn't have a job. So, and and yes, I knew I could do commercial for a car, but they get the money. But that'd be cool to have for the farm. Now, the Subaru Sandbar is the only one that have a 4-cylinder. The Honda Active and the rest of them, like the Suzuki Carry, they have a 3-cylinder engine. But the Subaru Sandbar has the engine in back. But the Subaru, yeah, automatic or standard, they're in the back. But besides that, the Suzuki Carry, you're sitting on the engine. And I want the engine in the back. Now, the Honda Active, what I saw my buddy Don yesterday, and the engine's in the middle. I'm not worried about the middle one, but I don't want to sit on the engine. You know, cause the Suzuki Carry, that's what you do. You sit on the engine part. The seats cover the engine. Cause you take the seats down. No, you put the seats up to get to the engine bay on the Suzuki Carry. And I don't want that. I don't want the heat near my body. You know, especially in the summertime. But no, seriously, I do like to get one to exercise my hands. And yes, I do respect the people that have them. Like I said, you get a brand new one that can last for years before they start like going downhill. But you can still get parts off of them. You can put like out the parts on them. But they come with a 12-inch wheel and tire. You can put a 14-inch wheel on the Sandbar, okay? But yeah, you can modify it the way you want it, not the way they want it, not the way they built it, okay? You could order a 14-inch tire, And I understand the wheels are light, cause take a look at the golf cart tires though. They're light. I do have a point though. It's like a mini golf cart. But yes, it is like a mini golf cart, but I like it. And I put the picture on my Instagram. I seen my picture on the Instagram for it. And yes, and I love it. And I would like to get it, but I could get a brand new one. But for the farm though, I would like to get an older one also, cause and it's awesome. And I will put the picture down below. Okay. And have a good day. And love all of you guys. And this is JWE Podcast saying, have a good afternoon. Love all you. Subscribe, comment, share this video, and help me build the community on YouTube. And also go to the community tab on my YouTube page and comment there also. So, okay, thank you for tuning in to today's show about the K-Trucks. And yes, but some of them are like $1,000, okay? But you could get like a cheaper one for like the $135, like I said. That's cheap. And cash. Not payments either. Cash. And that's awesome. Okay, to the JWE Podcast saying, have a good afternoon. And subscribe, comment, recommend this YouTube channel. I have 65 subscribers. Thank you and have a nice day.